Hello, this is Jammal Adio Anibaba. Today is October 24th, 2023. I'm doing another archive of Abibu Oluwa, a song from the archive of Abibu Oluwa. This one is titled Amọdu Okunnu. This cut, I noticed that Abibu sang for two different people. At the beginning of it, it was for Amọdu Okunnu. But later on at the end, in the second portion of it, he will sing for Gaffaru, Alhaji Gaffaru. Some will say Gaffaru, Gaffar, Alhaji Gaffaru. So let's hear it. Àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ bùnmi kànga ìyọnu ní Alhaji Amọdu Okunnu Aládé bàbá Jímọ̀. Tí a mọ̀ a ò mẹ́ni tó fẹ́ ni ènìyàn fẹ́ là mọ̀. Ènìyàn fẹ́ là mọ̀ a ò mẹ́ni tó fẹ́ ni ènìyàn fẹ́ là mọ̀. Alhaji Amọdu Abarakẹ́ bàbá Jarata. Gbòkírun nìṣó mọ́ṣáláṣí gbogbo bí ọdún Alhaji Abarakẹ́ ilé wa Amọdu Gaffaru. Now he's going to Alhaji Gaffaru. Ká tó bẹ́ẹ̀dì yẹ wí ẹdìyẹ ò lórógún ẹjọ́. Alhaji Gaffaru. Ọgbà Bọ́látúndé bàbá Tajudeen wọ́n lọ kọ̀yìnkọ̀yìn kì í ṣẹgbẹ́ àyítalẹ̀ akéré àjù wọ́n lọ Gaffaru tilé wa ajé. Alhaji Gaffaru Ìyábọ̀dé bàbá Jímọ̀. Olúwa rẹ̀ ni ẹni tó bá fojú òkùrọ́ wọ̀rúnmìlà. Ifá bolúwa rẹ̀ ni ọ̀nìkẹ́ ọkọ̀ ànàtú. So this song, okay, the drum beat started with ìyọnu ní àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ bùnmi kànga ìyọnu ní. So why is it ìyọnu àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ bùnmi kànga? Because in the earlier days of building wells among the Yorubas, they would dig the well. The water is deep enough that there's water in it, but there was no casting concrete wall around it. Like by the time my parents were around, they were already been where they will cast round it so that you'll be up to your belly or your navel belly, so you can lean on it and throw your bucket into the water, into the well, and then pull the rope back, pull the rope up with the water. But in the early days, there was no that casting. So it's just a plain, it's flat along with the floor. So then they just put a cover on it. So it's dangerous, Odessi. So you have to kind of lean in. So if you're on your knee doing it, it's dangerous. If you stand it up, it's still dangerous because there is no leverage holding you from tripping and falling into the well. So àti dúró bu omi kànga ìyọnu ni, àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ bu ìyọnu ni. It's a dangerous Odessi. It looks like something easy, but it's dangerous. So it started with that drum. Àti dúró bomi kànga ìyọnu ni, àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ bomi kànga ìyọnu ni. Ẹ̀lákátá jìnnà ká tó bẹ́dìyẹ wí, ẹdìyẹ ò lórógún ẹjọ́. We need to get rid of, chase the fox away first before you start repudiating the chicken or the hen and say, why are you making noise? If you didn't make noise, you wouldn't have attracted the fox. No, first you chase the predator away first. You deal with the predator first, and then you come home and admonish the prey. Kálákátá jìnnà ká tó bẹ́dìyẹ wí, ẹdìyẹ ò lórógún ẹjọ́, kò lórókún ẹjọ́. That's also a play on words. Why is it here doesn't have orúnkún ẹjọ́? Human being has a knee that they could kneel on, but chicken, they don't have their knee. They can't kneel down in front of the judge or in front of someone in charge and say, please forgive me, I didn't know. So when you go to court, you're kneeling down and saying, my Lord, I ask for forgiveness. Or when you're talking to the elders, you're on your knee to ask for mercy. The chicken doesn't have to plead for mercy. Ẹ̀lákátá jìnnà ká tó bẹ́dìyẹ wí, ẹdìyẹ ò lórókún ẹjọ́. Ẹdìyẹ was not at fault. He's just doing what, he's not being vindictive when he ended up triggering whatever it is that happens that caused the fox to come and try to break into the confinement where you have the chicken. Kálákátá jìnnà ká tó bẹ́dìyẹ wí, ẹdìyẹ ò lórógún ẹjọ́. Then the next drum in that song is akéré àjù wọ́n lọ, kọ̀yìn kì í ṣẹgbẹ́ Ayíǹtalẹ̀, akéré àjù wọ́n lọ. Kọ̀yìn is an insect. It's kind of real bigger than your regular ant, but he'll bite you. While we'll be sitting down at home, and he'll bite you. But Kankoin is smaller than Ayíǹtalẹ̀. Ayíǹtalẹ̀ is kind of like a worm-like. It was in old ancient Yoruba huts, because back then they just clear space, build a hut over it, and they lay their mat. Well, in the middle of the night, the worm-like maggot comes out while they sleep, and it suck on their blood, and it go back and burrow back into the soil. They're bigger than Koin, but if Koin catches them, Koin will bite them and kill them. So akéré àjù wọ́n lọ, kọ̀yìn kì í ṣẹgbẹ́ Ayíǹtalẹ̀, akéré àjù wọ́n lọ. And then the last drum in the song, which is Mimi Lola's signature drum beat. Ifá ni yóò p'Olúwa rẹ̀ jẹ, ẹni tó bá fojú òkú wọ̀rúnmìlà. Ifá ni yóò p'Olúwa rẹ̀ jẹ. The cowries that they use in Ifa divination, it's just a cowrie. So if you do that, say, oh, that's just a cowrie. Come on, man. You get messed up by it. Meaning, don't underestimate something because they're small. It might be more dangerous than you think. Ifá ni yóò p'Olúwa rẹ̀ jẹ, ẹni tó bá fojú òkú wọ̀rúnmìlà. Ifá ni yóò p'Olúwa rẹ̀ jẹ. So first one. Akéré àjùwọ̀n lọ kọ̀ìnkọ̀ìn kì í ṣe ẹgbẹ́ Ayíǹtalẹ̀. Akéré àjùwọ̀n lọ. What is it? Kálákátá jìnnà ká tó bẹ́dìyẹ wí, ẹdìyẹ ò lórógún ẹjọ́. Kálákátá jìnnà ká tó bẹ́dìyẹ wí, ẹdìyẹ ò lórógún ẹjọ́. Then you also have the one that says, ìyọnu ni àti dúró bùnmi kànga, ìyọnu ni àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ bùnmi kànga, ìyọnu ni. Sometimes they will insert àdínlẹ̀gúngi ọ̀pọ̀tọ́, ojú ejò ni yóò ṣe. But Mimi didn't put that in this one. He just beat ìyọnu ni àti dúró bùnmi kànga, ìyọnu ni àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ bùnmi kànga, ìyọnu ni. Ìṣó mọ́ṣáláṣí bó kírun, ìṣó mọ́ṣáláṣí. Ifá ni yóò p'Olúwa rẹ̀ jẹ, ẹni tó bá fojú òkú wọ̀rúnmìlà. Ifá ni yóò p'Olúwa rẹ̀ jẹ. Don't forget your do re mi. Leave comments. Actually, I will pull it back and let you guys re-listen to it again. Okay? Àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ bùnmi kànga, ìyọnu ni. Alhaji. When he says God will be mean the wealthy. Okunnu Baba Dimo. Àfẹ́ la mọ̀, a ò mẹ́ni tó fẹ́ ni, ènìyàn àfẹ́ la mọ̀. Ènìyàn àfẹ́ la mọ̀, a ò mẹ́ni tó fẹ́ ni, ènìyàn àfẹ́ la mọ̀. Alhaji Amọdu Baba Jirata. Bó kírun, nìṣó mọ́ṣáláṣí. ọdún Alhaji bàbá nílé wá bá jí Gaffaru. Ká tó bẹ́ẹ̀dìyẹ wí ẹdìyẹ ò lórógún ẹjọ́ ọdún Alhaji Gaffaru. Alájúdéni lọ kọ̀ìnkọ̀ìn kì í ṣẹgbẹ́ Ayítalẹ̀ akéré àjùmọ̀ lọ Gaffaru àgbẹ̀dílé wa ají Síkírù Gaffaru Ọlájídé wa Síkírù Ọlájídé wa. Ali Gaffaru Ìyábọ̀dé bàbá ìjìmọ̀ Olúwa rẹ̀ ẹni tó fojú òkúrọ̀ wọ̀rúnmìlà rábò Olúwa rẹ̀ ni ẹ̀dá gbé ọkàn sàkàtú. Amọdu Okunnu was the father of Fuad Okunnu. Brilliant mind. And Femi Okunnu, young minister in the Yakubu Gowon's government, Minister of Works. You guys remain blessed. This is Jammal Adiwani Baba. I'm out.